So I'm gonna teach you how to uninstall Composer Linux. So if you type Composer, we have the Composer installed in our machine. So how to uninstall it? So we're gonna uninstall the Composer. So type sudo apt-get remove and the name of the what you're gonna want to uninstall. So type Composer. Okay, yes. Okay, so we don't have the Composer now. So yeah, this is how you uninstall the Composer in Linux.